Welcome to GMCConversionVans.com. This is Larry. Today I've got a 2018 Toyota Sienna. This is a mobility van by VMI. This has the lowered floor from the back all the way up to the front. Driver and passenger seats. Got the ramp, automatic ramp. Got the automatic door. This one was done here locally. You can see there it's got a transfer seat in the passenger side, so that seat actually turns around. So the person can transfer out of the wheelchair. This belonged to an older couple. Gentleman was a decorated vet. His wife had mentioned that to us when he traded it in. Really nice van. Took good care of it. She just no longer needed it, unfortunately. And so I just wanted to kind of send that to you and see what questions you had about it. This is, like I said, this is done by VMI. They're a pretty well-known name in the mobility market. They do a lot of lifts and things like that. It's got lots of cargo space here in the back. This back seat actually flips down. This one actually has a little DVD monitor up there, so if you would happen to have a child or somebody that you're putting in here in the back, that's nice. And you got a Blu-ray player up there in the front. I'll get you a little closer shot of that. This one's only got, this has got like 27,000 miles on it. And there's a power lift gate also, by the way. Power doors on both sides. This one's got the tie downs in the floor. Again there, your seat does sit up a little bit. If I do recall, this one has a, I believe it's right here. Nope, maybe not. I thought that one had the footrest thing on it, but it does not. It has lots of cup holders though in this one. There's a little shot of your DVD. There's the transfer seat. That will actually slide back and turn around. Got power driver and passenger seat. Got all your controls right here for the lift. This one's got 27,238 miles. It's pretty much absolutely loaded. The nice thing too, these two front seats, you can actually take them both completely out. So if somebody wants to drive from a wheelchair, they can. I'll start it up here for you. And you've got, here's your VMI switch. Switch up here on the dash to bring the ramp in. It'll automatically shut the door. Power windows, power locks, all that. Like I said, 27,000 miles. Cruise control, radio controls, everything right here on the steering wheel. Got a backup camera, the lines. This one has full navigation and everything in it. Climate control here in the front, so you can do different temperatures for driver passenger. Again, you've got heated seats down here. You've also got your DVD player. And you got some power ports down here. There's the controls for your transfer seat. They might have that. They might have that unplugged. Oh, it's actually got a switch. I'm sorry. You see that whole thing slides back. Oh, I'm sorry, it actually has to be back all the way, I believe. That seat actually will turn all the way. That seat will turn all the way around. Really nice van. I don't get many of these minis. It's not something we really look for. Like I said, we happen to take this one in on trade. And again, the gentleman was a decorated veteran, so they took good care of it, and they were an older couple. If you have any questions about this one or any others, I've got about, I think right now I've got about four handicap vans in stock. This happens to be the only minivan I have. I've got a full-size GMC I just got in with the raised doors. I've also got a Ford Transit all-wheel drive in stock. And I believe I've got one more Sierra in stock also that's similar to this, or Sienna, excuse me. Sienna that's similar to this. So if you're looking for a van, please give me a call. My direct number is 937-440-5820. Again, that's Larry at GMC, conversionvans.com, 937-440-5820. Located here in Troy, Ohio. You can also visit us on the web at gmcconversionvans.com. And you can also check out our YouTube channel and subscribe. We do videos every day, so you can always see something new on there. And our YouTube channel is also GMC Conversion Vans. So please check us out and let me know what questions you have. Again, my name's Larry, and it's 937-440-5820. Look for the giant American flag. Thank you.